This year, the ABU Robocon mimics the national game of Fiji, the rugby. The game has three main tasks, namely kicking, passing, and transferring. Similarly, we have assigned the tasks kicking and passing to the pass robot, whereas the transferring task to the try robot. Moving forward and talking about the pass robot, it has two tasks to complete, kicking and passing. Further, its design has been made bulky for better stability and dampening the force which might topple it. Let us talk about the pass. Well, the passing mechanism was envisaged from a simple tap and pass process. Basically, a tap from the shoulder has to place the ball into the conveyor, which is then passed onto the pitching mechanism at the top of the conveyor. The offset between the load arm and the slider system calls for unwanted moments and stresses in the arm. But by limiting the friction between the conveyor and the ball and optimizing the point of contact, the conveyor was made very accurate and energy efficient. Likewise, the rollers have been set at a predetermined angle and their speed has been set up prior as the passing distance has been taken as fixed. Now about the kicking. As we can see, the kicking mechanism in this robot is inspired by the leg of an athlete. Likewise, this leg has two limbs which are independently controlled with the help of pneumatic cylinders. The required force is generated by the sudden release of energy from the cylinders. Also, an exhaust valve has been employed in the two cylinders for a controlled release of energy in the form of a backstroke. Since the kicking is the most energy intensive mechanism in our robot, we tried best to optimize its energy usage. The robot is very powerful and is designed to score the highest. Consequently, its precision and control makes it even more powerful. Lastly, let us talk about the try robot. To its slower counterpart, it is fast and even more precise. It can easily navigate through the game field and the defenders with speed and control. And it has only one designated task which we talked about earlier, that is the transferring. Figuratively, the robot catches the ball, passes from the kick robot, navigates to the defenders and rolls the ball into the try spots. As a matter of fact, the simple yet elegant rolling mechanism only needs a single pneumatic actuation. At last, despite many faulty tries and efforts, these two robots were made successfully for ABU Robocon 2020 Suba, Fiji. Well, me, Mr. Rugby, am honored for being use of your guidance. Thank you, stay safe and peace out.